Hey there, boys and girls. Welcome to our video on how to set up your chromatography lab. Okay, so at each chromatography station, what you're going to have is you're going to have a ruler, a piece of spinach, a pencil. Well, you should have the pencil. No pen, though, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. Popsicle stick and chromatography paper strip, and also a paper clip. So first thing that you want to do is this. You want to take your ruler and your chromatography strip, and you want to line them up. So if we take our ruler here and we take our chromatography strip, what you need to do is you need to line up the tip of your chromatography strip at 0 and then measure up 2 centimeters. Okay, so once you measure up 2 centimeters, you want to make a mark on your chromatography paper like that, and then take your ruler, because it's a straight edge, and then draw a line going across the top. Remember, you want to use pencil on this because if you use pen, the pen ink is going to actually separate along with your chlorophyll, and that's going to mess up your chromatography paper here. Alright, so the reason why we draw the line there is because above this line is where we want to put the spinach. Alright, we want to put our spinach chlorophyll above this line and not below it. So that's why we have what's called our loading line here. Once you are done with that, what you have to do next is take your leaf of spinach that I've given you, rip a piece off of it, and just kind of rip it up and break it up. Okay, so you want to get the insides of the spinach leaf exposed so you can get as much chlorophyll out of it as possible. So once you're done with that, what you want to do next is you want to take your fingers, pin down your spinach, your chromatography paper, and rub your spinach leaf all over it. And you want to get a nice dark blot of chlorophyll on it. Alright, so as you rub it on there, you'll notice that my paper has turned green. So there's my chlorophyll that I'm going to use above my loading line. Now, what we have to do is this. We have to put the chromatography paper so it hangs in this beaker here. So the tip is just above the bottom or it's just touching the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is use our popsicle sticks. We're going to use our popsicle sticks and we're going to roll our chromatography paper up on the popsicle stick. So this way, it'll start to hang inside the beaker. So what you want to do from time to time is as you're rolling it up, you want to basically just monitor how much space you have. So as you can see, I still have too much chromatography paper in there. I don't want that bend. I want it to be as straight as possible. So I'm going to continue rolling my chromatography paper. And then once I think I got it, I'm going to check it again. And I still have a bit of a curve there, so I'm going to probably give it one more turn or twist. Okay. And then check it one more time. Alright, so when I check it, you'll see or you'll notice that the chromatography paper is no longer touching the bottom, and that's what we want. So once you have the desired height for your chromatography paper, all you have to do is take your paper clip, clip the back of it, so this way the chromatography paper stays in place. And then what I will do is I will come around when you are done and you call me over, and I will add the chromatography solution or solvent into the beaker, and then you can lower your chromatography paper into it, and then just let the magic happen. Okay? So that's how you set up your chromatography strip, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so pay attention, be careful, and also have fun.